भर में 1/3 entrepreneurial ventures women entrepreneurs द्वारा चलाए जाते हैं. Economic progress, better access to education, urbanization, spread of liberal and democratic culture, and also most importantly recognition by the society. इन कारणों, इन reasons के चलते इंडिया में women entrepreneurship में काफी तेजी देखी गई है. धीरे धीरे लेकिन लगातार दुनिया भर में वुमेन एंटरप्रेन्योर्स एक सक्सेसफुल एंटरप्रेन्योर्स के रूप में देखी जा रही हैं. कई सारे फैक्टर्स जो मैंने मेंशन किए वो काफी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले करते हैं इसके तेजी में. वुमेन ओन्ड बिजनेस एंटरप्राइजेस दूसरों को इंस्पायर करने और इंडिया में एम्प्लॉयमेंट पैदा करने में काफी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले कर रहे हैं. बढ़ती हुई वुमेन एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप इंडिया में बिजनेसेस और इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ में भी काफी चेंजेस ला रही है. मेरी सर्कल में हम टॉप वुमेन एंटरप्रेन्योर्स ऑफ द हेल्थ केयर सीरीज का आयोजन कर रहे हैं. वी आर हैविंग दिस सीरीज इन ऑर्डर टू शोकेस सच इंस्पिरेशनल फीमेल रोल मॉडल्स ऑन अ रेवोल्यूशनरी जर्नी. हेलो, आई एम स्मिता कुमार और आज इस पहल में हम बातें करने जा रहे हैं आरती कपिला से. आरती कपिला इज अ co-founder and board of director at OsteoSkill India Private Limited. It's a 3D printed implant systems medical device company and Sculpt Partners INC. She has been the founding member of the India's largest dental chain, that's Clove Dental, which is globally ranked 8th and employs the largest workforce of dental professionals in India. She has also been the national head of a startup, Corona Dental Labs, and strategic advisor to various healthcare boutique organizations. She's the recipient of the Dr. Hari Prakash Merit Award for the community dentistry in Asia Pacific region. So there are a lot of accolades which our today's guest has already got. So let's welcome her to MediCircle. Hi Aarti, welcome to MediCircle.
Hi, thank you for inviting me.
So it's a pleasure having women entrepreneurs, especially in the times when we are seeing that India is seeing a lot of disruptions, especially in the healthcare segment pertaining to women entrepreneurship. So बहुत सारे women entrepreneurs को मैंने इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे इनवाइट किया है और उनसे हमेशा ये जानने की कोशिश की है कि एज एन एंटरप्रेन्योर उनका क्या कंट्रीब्यूशन रहा है. So to beginning with this, with you also Aarti, as an entrepreneur, what is your contribution? आपका क्या योगदान रहा है healthcare industry में?
Smita, to be very frank, it was not intentional to be an entrepreneur. I was a practicing dentist, but कुछ circumstances ऐसे रहे कि I decided to stand for myself, and as an entrepreneur, मेरे contributions to this healthcare industry has been कि we've been as an co-founder for OsteoSkill, I have been able to introduce niche technology in 3D printing जहाँ हम customized implants बनाते हैं. ये patient specific implants होते हैं जो सिर्फ हर patient के लिए ही बन सकते हैं. It's like आप सूट बनवाने जाते हैं तो वो सूट सिर्फ आपके लिए ही बन सकता है, वो किसी और को फिट नहीं आएगा. उसी तरह से ये इम्प्लांट सिर्फ उस पेशेंट के ही फिट आते हैं. सो सक्सेस रेट बिकम्स वेरी वेरी हाई एंड फेलियर रेट्स गो डाउन. दूसरा, आई हैव बीन अ फाउंडिंग मेंबर ऑफ एशियाज लार्जेस्ट डेंटल चेन. इट्स द 8th largest in the world. We started called Clove Dental. इन्हीं के so these were two major contributions that were which I have been part of, have been lucky to be part of.
That's great to know. But as you might be knowing, Aarti, like entrepreneurship has its own struggles, and especially being a woman entrepreneur, it adds to it. So kindly discuss what were your challenges as a woman entrepreneur, and also what were the benefits which you enjoyed as being a woman entrepreneur?
Sure, definitely. As a woman entrepreneur, सबसे unique challenge जो होता है, पहली बात, people don't like the idea of women stepping out of homes. There are enough and more people who think that women are still meant to be in kitchens. But as a woman entrepreneur, आप में empathy ज़्यादा है, आप में you've always worked with tight budgets when you're running your houses, right? So you run your companies in the similar fashion. Those are benefits that women entrepreneur bring to the platform, to any industry, whether it's healthcare or elsewhere. We also tend to be the ones who are, it's known. I mean, there are enough papers that will show you that work culture in women-led companies is far better than men-led companies. 17% of women in men-led companies tend to have faced some sort of bias or harassment. Yes. It's a study that was done which showed this, but it is much lesser in women-led companies because women understand those problems and try and counter them before they would actually rise up, right? And their approach to these kind of problems is far more personal than it is than objective. I would say that. While challenges में क्या होता है कि मैं एक डेंटल सर्जन हूँ, राइट, और मैं एक सिर्फ ग्रेजुएट हूँ, उसके बाद मैंने अपना MBA किया, आई डिड अदर थिंग्स, दैट इज डिफरेंट, बट बिकॉज डेंटल इंडस्ट्री में एक आप वुमन हो, दूसरा आप ग्रेजुएट हो, आपकी स्टैंडिंग नहीं होती. You're not a postgraduate, so you can't do much. You are just a graduate, means कि आप तो टाइम पास करने आए हो, शादी करके घर बसा लोगे and you're done. You're not going to work. That was always told to me from day one. And I needed to prove that to people कि ये नहीं होता. Just because मैंने सिर्फ graduation की है, मैं सीट नहीं वेस्ट कर रही किसी की. मैंने उसी नॉलेज को लेकर, उसी प्रोफेशन को लेकर इंडिया का लार्जेस्ट डेंटल चेन खड़ा कराया, राइट? सो इट वाज, आई यूज्ड दोस ड्रॉबैक्स that would tend to occur as my motivation to take it forward. So, and benefits ये हैं कि because, like I said, we are so used to running very tight ships at home. We are very used to running families where everything is inclusive in nature. We run very successful businesses as well. Another challenge that we tend to face is with the investors. When you go to raise money for your organization, investors don't look very favorably towards women entrepreneurs. They think कि वो सिर्फ time pass करने आई हैं because they had some extra money, they decided to start this business, not realizing that it is their way of life. It's who they are. They are people who can manage homes, who can manage offices very well. It doesn't mean that we are ignoring anybody in the process. And it's been proven over and over again that women entrepreneurs can do extremely well and are at par and beyond men entrepreneurs in the country.
So I would be just sharing one more data with you. Like for the first time in India, we have more women than men. Like it was always like men were more than women, but for the first time in the 5th National Family and Health Survey, that is the NHFS, and they found that there are 1,020 women for every 1,000 men. Now, if we talk about their involvement as an entrepreneur, as a businesswoman, it is still very, very less. Like पूरे मतलब हर 100 इंडियन एंटरप्रेन्योर्स पे देयर आर ओनली 7 वुमेन एंटरप्रेन्योर्स, यानी हर 100 इंडियन एंटरप्रेन्योर्स पे सिर्फ 7 वुमेन एंटरप्रेन्योर्स हैं. अब ये जो इतना बड़ा गैप है, दिस हैज बीन स्टडीड इन द ग्लोबल जेंडर गैप रिपोर्ट, जिसमें ये आया कि करीब 149 के कंट्रीज है, ये 2018 की रिपोर्ट है, जिसमें इंडिया 108th पे रैंक करता है. इंडियन वुमेन काफी लीस्ट बेनिफिटेड है, स्पेशली 2 कैटेगरीज में. पहला है हेल्थ और दूसरा है इकोनॉमिक पार्टिसिपेशन. यानी आज भी इंडिया में रूल्स फेवरेबल नहीं है, सिचुएशंस उतने फेवरेबल नहीं है फॉर वुमेन एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप, बट डेफिनेटली टाइम्स आर चेंजिंग. वी हैव people who are doing very, very good, women who are leading very, very important roles, and they are in the best of positions, not only in the corporate, but also starting their own startups with a very good product and offering, really solving some problems. And that is why हम एडमेडी सर्कल में इस वुमेन एंटरप्रेन्योर सीरीज को ऑर्गेनाइज कर रहे हैं to have more and more women talking straight from their heart about their journey. It was really never easy. Like for, I mean, anybody whom we interviewed, itne sare dinon mein, I have always found that there has been a struggle, just like Aarti Kapila has been telling us. But it is at the same time, it is inspiring also because they have neglected all whatever was there, which was like making them, coming them down, but still they chose to fight back, and now they are here. And that is why this inspires each and every woman audience who is seeing this video today, just to have a confidence in herself and make that confidence live and ask from herself that whether she's enjoying life today, kya wo sare sapne pure ho pa rahe hain, and is there something which she's still striving to do. So it's never late. Aarti, as you might be saying that कि कभी भी startup की शुरुआत delayed नहीं होनी चाहिए. Whenever you think it should be the beginning, it should be the beginning, and you should be going ahead rather than ki what people are thinking. So one last
Absolutely.
quote from you, ki what you should feel, because there are so many women entrepreneurs, especially when I was just watching this yesterday's episode of Shark Tank, where that woman entrepreneur had come. I mean, she was telling about her momos. So there are so many women in India today having
Absolutely.
small or a big enterprise, and they are trying to have a change, trying to solve some problem, and also making benefit out of it, and finally proving to the world that yes, Indian women entrepreneur have arrived. So what's your take on that?
Smita, I would say that traditional saying hai ki for every successful man there is a woman behind him, but it's the same for women as well. For every successful woman there is a supporting husband or a boyfriend or a father or a some brother. There is an entire family standing behind you who is giving you that encouragement to do what you do, right? And for us to create more job opportunities, we have to encourage more women to come in, employ women accordingly. Dentistry is one field where I've seen that we are more dental surgeons are women than men, for the simple reason they think ki night duty nahi hoti. But that's not just it. It's a very, very tiring job. You're standing from morning to evening, looking into somebody's mouth, looking at with blood and saliva constantly, right? So it is an equally tiring job. Yes, there may not be a night duty happening, but it does happen in hospitals. Maybe not in a private clinic, but it does happen in hospitals, right? We need to encourage our own people. We need to encourage our own kind to say ki nahi, it can be done. If I can do it, anybody can do it. Definitely. And these days, the family thought processes are changing, right? You have your in-laws and your parents supporting you doing what you have to do. So you don't have to compromise anywhere to do anything. You're allowed to do both the things equally well.
Surely. So thank you so much, Aarti, for joining us today at MediCircle Women Entrepreneur Series. And we loved the way you explained about how you, being just a graduate, you were able to manage and start, having Clove Dentist, which is the 8th largest chain across the world. So it is definitely an example for all those who are listening and watching this video, that you should be having that strong will and perseverance and resilience, just to know that yes, you have arrived, and shout out to all those people who have been thinking that you cannot do anything, but straight from your heart that yes, you can definitely do something, and you'll be able to achieve loads and loads of success. So all the best, all the very best for all your future endeavors. Once again, thanks for joining us.
Thank you so much for inviting me, Smita. It's been my pleasure completely.